a religion called humanity. Allah taught me charity, to give with all my heart and seek nothing in return. Krishna taught me to be a good friend, one who doesn't judge but is present without question. Jesus taught me that suffering is also a part of living. To appreciate joy, one must also accept sadness. Buddha taught me the power of meditation, the strength of mindfulness and tranquility. Mahavira taught me to appreciate all living things, to revere nature which sustains in all its glory. Zarathustra taught me that even in death there is giving, that something in me can still endorse life for another. They are all my creators. They have taught me how to live and to love. They have directed my thoughts and actions. They have critiqued me and questioned my inaction. They have challenged me to move ahead. So, I wonder, what is my religion? What should I practice? Every day, I can try to be kind and patient, more understanding and empathetic, to share and give more of myself, to learn by teaching and teach by learning, to rise above everything that divides and be more inclusive. Religion is a state of mind. It's called humanity.